I think uniqueness makes people stand out, and it makes people feel like they can also be beautiful. My name's Anastasia. I'm 18, turning 19. I live in San Francisco. I didn't have acne, like actual acne, until like 6 months ago. I think I was wearing a mask really often, and all that like nasty stuff started just staying on my face, and now I have lots of it. I used to wear a full face of makeup in high school because I didn't really like the way that my skin looked. I was very red, I have very red skin, and then I started getting acne probably 6 months or closer to a year ago, and I started wearing more foundation, and that kind of just made it worse. Most people have acne, and I feel like placing these unrealistic skin standards is not a healthy mindset. I just started wearing less and less foundation and started liking the way that I looked better and better. When I was growing up, I guess it sort of negatively affected it because social media and like media in general, they all like have perfect skin, like, and acne is generally seen as something, you know, nerds have acne, oh, dirty people have acne, all this other stuff, when everybody has acne and everybody's just wearing makeup to cover it up, right? Now social media, I feel like, has gotten better. I'm seeing a lot more acne positive photos and a lot more people in the comments that are like, yes to this, we love this. Acne is and can be beautiful. It's generally pretty unique to each person, and I find that that's more interesting to look at as a face than just somebody with perfect skin, you know?